Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel English Journey with You. And how are you guys and how's everything is going? I think everything is going easy peasy. And how's your English practice is going? I think your English practice is going easy peasy. So in today's video I will discuss about how to express your daily routine with the help of thinking and with the help of practicing. So in this channel I will tell you only self learning, and this channel is all about empowering you to become fluent in English on by own, and this video is going very valuable to you. So let's get started. Firstly, let me change your mindset. Mostly we use for daily routine only present indefinite tense. Okay, don't take so many stress for express your daily routine. Your 80% problem is solved because present indefinite tense is simple. And let me tell you one thing. What if I tell you we use only I for daily routine? Okay, so now your 90% problem is solved, because in daily routine mostly we use present indefinite and I. Okay, and now you can easily express your daily routine with the help of present indefinite tense and I. Okay, so now let me tell you my daily routine. So let's get started. So usually I wake up at 6 o'clock. On weekdays I usually get up 6 o'clock. You guys think I am very lethargic and I wake up very late. So it's I know I am very lazy. So I decided last night, I took task for 1 week, and I decided I will wake up at 4 o'clock, and after that I will go for jogging, and after that I will come back at home. That time I will do exercise and yoga, because I am getting fat. That's why I decided. So it's all resolution I decided last night. And I slept with full dedication, and after slept my phone was ringing at 4 o'clock, and it was alarm. And because it was my first day, so now this time is evening time. So I tell you my daily routine from the morning. So morning time is past time, so that's why I use the only second form of verb. Okay, and if you only explain your daily routine, that time you use only first form of verb and present indefinite. And I am telling you my daily routine from this time, because this time is evening time, and I will tell you my daily routine from the morning. Okay, so I woke up at 4:30, because it was my first time, and I stay in the bed for 5 minutes, and by the time it is 30 minutes past in the bed, and after that I woke up at 4:30. Okay, and I decided firstly I will go for jogging. When I come back to home, and I will do exercise and yoga. So it's my plan and it's my task for day, for the morning. So usually I take warm water. I take 2 glass warm water right after waking up. So I went to the kitchen firstly, and I took a kettle and pour 2 glass of water, and I heated the water. I drank water. I drank 2 glass of water. After that by the time it was 4:45, and I sat on the bed, and I was just thinking, I will do for jogging for 30 minutes, and after I came back I will do yoga and exercise for 15 minutes. So it was my plan. After thinking, I went to the washroom, and I saw, what if I tell you what I saw? I saw washroom is already engaged, and I was shocked. who's inside, because everybody wake up at 7 o'clock. So who's inside in the washroom? So what if I tell you, I saw my son was sit there, and he was past smile at me. And that time I was frustrated, because if I just do some plan, and my whole plan was ruined, because my son is wake up, and after waking up he doesn't let me do anything, and he is always along with me and always follow me after waking up. And so after some time he came out from the washroom, and after that I went to the washroom, and after that I brushed my teeth, and he also brushed his teeth. And now I took deep breath, and I was thinking what I do now. So I was just thinking that, and my son told me, Mama, I want to come in your lap, let me take in your lap. So because I was fixed that time, and then I said to him, okay, come to my lap. And he came to my lap, and he talked to me a lot, and he said to me, Mama, tell me one story, tell me my school time, your school time. So by the time it was 5:45. So what if I tell you, he said to me, Mama, I want to play with you, please play with me. So I already very frustrated, and but I couldn't do anything, and that time I just one thought come in my mind, and I told him, okay, let's go for jogging. So I took him for jog, and he just walk only for 5 minutes, and after that he said to me, Mama, I was tired now. And he said to me, Mama, play with me, I run and you follow me and you catch me. And I just literally, I will tell you, at that time I was not in mood for playing and for running, but it's a children, and it's everything is gone, while every mother and every housewife feel this problem. And when my plan is not working, and that time my morning is not good, my whole day is spoiled, and my whole day gradually very headache, and I was gotten very headache. We came back after 30 minutes, and he came back with me, and I went to the kitchen, and I made porridge for all of you, and porridge like with milk and with sugar and porridge. Okay, it's a sweetened dish, and it's a very beneficial for breakfast. So I made porridge, and I served to him, and he bluntly shouted at me, Mama, I don't want to this, I want to kadi chawal. I was shocked. So it's happening in your journey. So he is a lover of kadi chawal, and he's a very picky eater. He's very picky eater. When he was born, he likes curry chawal ever since. So I was just try to understand him. I told him, firstly eat this porridge, and after that I will make for you kadi chawal. So he didn't listen to me at once, and he insisted to me, Mama, I want to kadi chawal only and only, nothing else. So by the time it was at 10:30, and after that I went to the washroom and I took bath and I brushed my teeth because everything is gonna late. So I kept him on hold for 2 hours as possible as for me. So after that I made kadi chawal for him, and firstly I served him, and after that I served to everyone. And at 12 o'clock everybody took lunch. It's a lunch plus breakfast brunch. And after that everybody went to his homework. He also playing. Now that the time is 2 o'clock, and I making video in front of you because I don't want to spoil my whole day if I do something for myself, and I feel little bit relaxed because I have to do something little. That's why it's my day journey, it's my daily routine, and I explain you in my way. It's not any written and not any copy. I just all word come in my mind, and I know I make a lot of mistake and I am fumble while speaking because I am learner and I don't want to take any tension. And if you guys new over here and if you like my video, then firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new video. And best wishes all of you for my side always. And if you have, and let me know in the comment section how did you like this video, and I will wait for you in this in comment section. And be careful and take care of yourself. Thank you.